In this experiment, we will determine the internal resistance of a homemade dry cell. This is a homemade dry cell. It consists of a dry cell and a resistor connected in series. Connect the homemade dry cell to a variable resistor, an ammeter, and a voltmeter. Set the variable resistor to its maximum resistance. Record the ammeter reading I and the voltmeter reading V. Adjust the variable resistor. Obtain all the pairs of ammeter readings and voltmeter readings. Plot a graph of V against I.